Hello everyone, this is Rinky and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well in your life and may God bless you guys and God you will help to make a happy and healthy. So today is my 11th day and I'm very happy to say that I completed my gradually 13th, 12th, 11th day. So today my topic I will speak about the procrastination. Yes guys, procrastination. Do you know what is that? You heard everywhere, you saw, you hear, or you maybe heard everywhere. Procrastination. But what that mean? Okay, anything you did, or anything you'll be done in future, and now you have to do a to-do list. Okay, you did a lot of things you have to do in morning. You wake up and you set up the goal and everything, and you completed half of your goal, half of your target. You achieve your half target, and that time you feel okay, I will do tomorrow. This will happen with lot of a student, and maybe I think you are also experienced from this. These things are very common nowadays because of the lot of distractions. You have a lot of procrastinations habit also. You didn't do the work, you are not doing any work, and you just told yourself that I will do tomorrow. You are just lying with yourself that I will do tomorrow. But guys, I want to tell you one thing: tomorrow never come. Yeah, because when you started something that is very important for you, but then after also you have any distraction, and you told yourself that I will do tomorrow. So this is the basic things that you know and you have to understand. So why we have to broken our procrastination? What are the main reason that the procrastination are coming? So there is a lot of things, because one thing is very important things is your you are not time blocking. If you are doing your time blocking, no, you will achieve every target. 7 to 8 I have to do, 8 to 9 I have to do, 10 to 11 I have to do. So this is the time blocking, and you block your time, that in which time you have to do what those things. And second things, that distractions. Yeah, there is a lot of distractions. Maybe your family also, or maybe your phone also. So guys, if you are staying with a big family, very big family, or you are living with a single family also, or maybe you are a single child family, there is a distractions. Because when you decided to start it studying, and your father or mother, maybe someone come and he told or she told you that come child, you have to do this one, come child, you have to do this one. But this is the one kind of distraction also. But another distraction is phone, using mobile phone, and your official gadget, or your gadget, mobile phone or maybe laptop, all those things. There is a notification coming, and you just stop, and you did you told yourself, okay, almost the half of the day is gone, and I will do tomorrow. And this is the not good things, that you every day you told yourself, every day you're lying, every day you are just told only wrong words, that I will do tomorrow. But this is the procrastination, guys. This is you have a disease of procrastination. You have to block in the procrastination anyhow. Just follow some of the routine, some of the daily habit, daily discipline, then only you can achieve your daily target. If you have a lot of procrastination, it will take time. Yeah guys, I tell you, really, it will take time. But you have a passion. Okay, patience. You have a patience also. When you have patience, no, you can achieve everything. Because okay, I told you, let me tell you one example. Okay, I have a procrastination problem, and there is a very big I have a very since long time I have been a procrastination problem, that I'm not doing work on a time, and I'm just procrastination. Time came, and that time I feel, oh my god, what I did a mistake. I did a lot of mistake. I have to work only 5 days or 4 days. I have to do this one. I have to study. I have to do, or I have to make a project. This type of things you can face. But when you want to destroy your procrastination, you have to do some of the basic routine. You have to follow some of the basic to basic follow routine. Firstly, you have to make a time block. I'm not told you that to-do list. It's time blocking. You can wake up, or maybe you can make your time blocking, or you make it, maybe you can make your routine on night only, and then morning you can just wake up and do your all activities, and then start to study. It's very nice. But time blocking means that from 5 to 6, 8 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 9 to 8, like that. You have to write on paper, pen and paper. You can take a pen and paper and write those things, that when you have to do which kind of things in which time. This is the things that you have to time blocking. Second thing is take off your phone. Yeah, take your put your phone in one area, put your phone in cupboard, put your phone in, and give your as maybe you can give your phone with your in your to your family, so there is no distractions and learning phase. Because nowadays you have a lot of distractions in social media. You are using Instagram, you are using TikTok, you are using too much WhatsApp. You are putting lots of status in your WhatsApp. You can just seeing who is seeing my status, who is giving a like, who is giving a comment, these type of things. But you have to understand that these things will not improve your future. These things will not decide your future. You have to give time to your now also you have to give time on you. Then only you are able to make a perfect settled life, perfect life in your with to your family, to your parent, to your children, to your everyone, spouse, everyone. Nowadays you have to focus on only study and make, I think you have to choose one thing that it will make two it may be will okay, I think you have to take any extracurricular activities that refresh your mind. Okay, so this will be it may be a dancing, it may be singing, it may be like extra drawing. You can see anything, you can do anything that make your mind fresh. So you can if you can really want to destroy your procrastination, you have to do this type of you have to do this type of activities. And if you guys it maximum 3 liter water, no, it's really good for your brain. Because when your brain, and it's please eat healthy food. Because when you take a this type of things you are doing, no healthy food, drink a lot of water, maybe maximum 3 liter or 4 liter, or take a deep sleep. It will good for your health also, and good for your body, mind, everything. So for today, I hope guys you will understand you are understand my word, what I'm trying to say. So for today, I hope you all are understand what I'm say. Okay, so today for that's all. Bye guys. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. You press the like button, and it's really your appreciation is for my motivation. So thank you so much guys.